Well, I don't have to ask you what you're doing. I think I know. Roughing things up.
Got a little hole there.
Yeah. Yeah, she was. Didn't even know it happened. Yeah, last couple weeks it's been Corey's body. And now it's kind of mine, but just little improvements. That would be the big thing, is getting that the lower pan of that body a little bit stiffer, so it actually is flatter. So when we bolt it up onto the carts, that it doesn't deflect
it. Doesn't bow down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Does that. Maybe a layer or two more on there. Should be perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, I would say so.
We haven't had a bolt go through the front of it yet.
No.
There's been.
Yep. So on the front of these noses that he makes are very stout. Very, very stout. So, I mean, to me, that would just make it so much more better. And then just a little bit, another layer on the sides.
On the side panels, yeah.
Yeah. Especially on some weekend warrior type of things. I mean, we're not doing the high speeds. We want the longevity.
Yep.
So.
Other than that, they're awesome bodies. Love them.
Yep. Yep. Really nice, easy to work with, and so.
And we've gotten multiple comments about them, how nice they are.
Yeah. Yeah. For sure.
Yep.
Let's go take a look at my side where it needs to be repaired, and you can kind of see right there. You can see where we kind of have to do a repair inside here from where I got. If you look at the film footage, you'll see how little he cleared me. No reason for it, but a little retaliation apparently in his mind of what happened earlier that night. So you'll see that in the videos too. But yeah, what he actually does is he'll take super glue and he'll stick super glue down in there, and he'll actually glue that back together with super glue, and then he'll clean it up and he'll glass over the top of that. I mean, he figured out his own way of doing this stuff to kind of keep it in place, so you're not relying on the fiberglass to hold it in place. So, I mean, that's a pretty nifty idea. So
then super glue,
yeah,
you won't allow the resin to seep through the other side, so you won't have leakage.
Yeah,
the top.
Yeah. I mean, it's just incredible just to come up with that method of doing it. So, okay, well, we'll move on and let him get busy. Peace.
Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Nice day. Yes, no, everyone, nice day. Nice day. It's not too cold, not too hot. It's all right. Autumn says it's all good.
Hi.
What are you doing? Are you helping Grandpa set the scales up? Ooh.
Chocolate chip.
Yeah, you're eating Fun Dip.
I want to eat stuff.
Well, you go help Grandpa set up the scales, okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. So, as you can see, Corey was busy the past couple days fixing my dad's body. Saw earlier there was a hole in his right front. And then there was a crack in the side of the body here. And Corey did his magic. I can flip ya. As you can see, the hole's gone. So Momo did a good job. So again, more body work. Hopefully we don't have to do any more this year.
Hopefully.
That's Heidi's over there laughing. Hopefully not. So again, another chill night. Dad already changed oil on the carts. Corey is topping off the fuel. I need to pull the clutches and clean them. And we're going to scale. I'm going to move weight. We are gonna try something a little different for this coming week, and see if we can make it even better. So, yeah. So again, another chill night.
We're gonna send it.
We're gonna send it.
Make some changes. Send it.
That's right. Got to try stuff to figure out if it's gonna work or not. The big thing is you got no prep, so you got to make the grip. So we're figuring out different ways to make the grip. So yeah. And then Jeff announced that he's gonna make it a D20 tire rule for next year. Hoosier D20As. He hasn't, I think, hasn't 100% thrown out the idea for treads. So people have mixed feelings regarding treads. Personally, I don't care. That's just my opinion. But I get why people don't want them to. If you go with the heart of the sportsman division, it's crate motor, everyone's on the same tire, just like Momo was saying. Maybe we can discuss everyone running the same type of clutches, disc versus shoe. Again, me personally, I don't care. I have our clutches pretty dialed in, but I also understand on the flip side why you want that rule. So, I even talked with Axlin throughout the week. He agreed with me that his, even though they were wore out, he had 2-year-old wore out treads, he was able to grab the crumbs. Well, he couldn't grab the crumbs like he did. So, yeah. Boy, you are noisy over there, old man. Trying to have a conversation with the people, and you're being noisy.
For the people.
So, but I'm gonna stop talking. Just reminiscing about the last week. My mind's always going, trying to figure out what I'm gonna try, and we're gonna get ourselves on the scales. We're gonna try some stuff, and we're gonna see what happens. So, word. So I'm gonna put you guys down. Again, put some music on. Not sure what I'll put on. We'll find something. A little rock and roll. Or techno. I like the techno. Gets Leona up and going too. Alright. I'm gonna put you guys down. Enjoy watching us work while you guys eat popcorn and drink pop. Can't argue with that. So, alright. We'll talk in a little bit. Peace. Hey, what's up, everyone? As you can see, we've been busy. I've been busy. Trying to keep the old man busy. He tries to get out of work. He's getting close to retirement, so he thinks he can get out of work. So, yeah. Here in the background, watching some dirt racing. Stewart, Iowa. Stewart Speedway, Iowa. Dad's watching some dirt racing. Got carts are ready. Clean the clutches. Changed the oil. Moved weight. I have some of the weight off because I'm going to put them on the scales and figure out where the numbers sit right now before I decide where I'm going to put the rest of the weight. So, that is where we're at. Again, chill night. So, we're going to put you down, put some more music on, and let you see us scale. So, hopefully it's not too boring. So, grab some popcorn, or pop, or beer, or chips. A&W root beer, word. A&W food.
There you go.
Go hit them up. You can watch us during while you eat supper.
Yeah.
All American food.
Yep.
Winona, lacrosse, word. We're actually doing that next week. Next Friday. We're having a big family party.
Mm-hmm.
So we stuff our face with some A&W food.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna set you down. Enjoy the rest of the video feed, and I'll be back in a little bit to chit chat. Peace.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never. Ever after work is over. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever. Hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever. Hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever. Hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever.
What you doing, Mama?
Putting my new receiver mount on.
Transponder.
Transponder.
Word.
Yep.
Word. Got our transponders
I want to see too.
right there.
They ours
Word.
now.
They ours. No more swapping and returning them. And
I want to see too.
say hi.
Hi, I can't see it.
You can't. What are we do? Hi. What are we doing now?
Putting it over there.
Are we putting everything away?
Uh-huh.
Time to go home.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, buddy. Go to sleep. Yeah, time to go to sleep. Can you say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
There you go. Well, Momo's installing his new transponder. Dad's got his installed. We are scaled. And we are ready to see what's going to happen this weekend. Both the boys are liking the numbers I put in it. So we're doing some talking, what we're trying to get out of the chassis. And I think we're going to be better. If we're not better, we throw it on the scales at the track and we keep
Try
tweaking.
something new.
Keep tweaking. Got to figure out what it likes and doesn't like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, pretty laid back. But I think we're gonna sign off. I think.
Yep.
All of us are ready to rock. It's a little after 9, so I gotta get home, get Leona to bed. Old man, I think he's getting tired over here. I think he's ready for bed.
Oh, yeah.
Word.
Have a shower and eat.
Shower and eat. And Momo, what's Momo doing?
I had something.
It is what it
You
is.
didn't lose it because
You did.
that's what happens on the track.
Oh.
Again.
3-time feature winner.
Again.
In a row.
Who was chasing who last week?
This guy was chasing me.
I was chasing him, man. In saying that, I didn't give him a little chance.
Oh.
Well, again, we're going to sign out. Should be a nice kind of a short, sweet video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe on our YouTube page if you haven't. We're trying to get to 80, so Mr. Momo over here has got a ball to the head before the end of the race season. Been posting photos. If you haven't hit us up on Instagram, follow us. And hit that bell. What do we?
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. One day I'll get some nice animation on there for subscribe and all that. Till I gotta get fancy. Right now we're just, beginning vloggers. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed.